Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by 2x. Next, we have the formula in here. So number 9, that is about 3 to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we need to simplify x minus number 3 on numerator and denominator. And now I can put number 3 cone here and here. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.